So I think business awards are also as important as any award because I think every field requires a lot of motivation and encouragement. And I would like to thank sir for hosting such big awards, business excellence awards, and making me a part of it. And I'm so proud to give the awards to all the perfect people out there who have achieved so well in their business fields. And I wish them all the best for the future.
Madam, how this awards will inspire other outcome, entrepreneurs,
No, I think it's
especially in the
yeah.
Tier 2 cities, as you are from a Tier 2 cities. So what
So
is
I
your
think
message?
by seeing such great entrepreneurs, the others get motivated and encouraged, and they are also seeing that there's so many people who are doing well in businesses, and they are becoming big entrepreneurs. So I'm sure this will give a lot of confidence to youngsters as well, and all the people are believing that now they can be a business person, which is very nice to see that. And India is growing, and hopefully in the future we have a lot more business people out there.
What is your future plans?
Future plans, I think I just retired, so I think I'll take some time to see what I want to do in the future. But at the moment I'm very happy motivating youngsters and giving a lot of motivational talks to them. And let's see in the future, you never know.
Rajesh ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಕ್ಯೂರ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು 4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಈ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯನ್ನು ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಾವು ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 20,000 ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಳಸದೆ ಕೃಷಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಸೊ ನಾವು 4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಡೋರ್ ಟು ಡೋರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೈನಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುವುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನದೊಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ಅವುಗಳೇ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬನ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಟೀಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hi, this is Ravi Kumar. I'm from NBR Group. I'm heading the sales and marketing. NBR Group founded in 1998 by the two brothers, Mr. Nagabhushan Reddy and Mr. Ashwath Narayan Reddy. And we got the award Excellence in High-Rise and Premium Residential Projects for this award.
Along with you, how many?
Along with that, we have taken one more award of Entrepreneur of the Year award.
My name is Uday K. Shetty, Tulnadu Properties from Udupi. We started the business real estate Tulnadu Properties in last 5 years back. This is one of the trusted company in the real estate. We will take all things, all services like construction and land development and painting, plumbing, every pin to pin service we will take care. And the legal team, we have own our legal team, and this is called. We are proud to have this award today.
You're limited to only Mangalore and
No, we are working throughout the Karnataka. In the part of first part, we are working coastal Karnataka right now. So we are looking for in all over Karnataka also.